Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 4 more youth in occupied Kashmir today, raising the toll to 6 during the past 24 hours. The youth were martyred by the troops during a violent cordon and search operation in Surankot area of the district. Jammu and Kashmir National Front Chairman Naeem Ahmed Khan and other APHC leaders, while terming 19 July as a defining moment in Kashmir's history, have reiterated their commitment to carry forward the freedom struggle in the light of the historical resolution passed at a meeting of the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference in Srinagar on July 19, 1947. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has praised the steadfastness of its chairman Shabir Ahmed Shah on the completion of 6 consecutive years in the Indian captivity. The DFP, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said exactly 6 years ago, Shabir Ahmed Shah was arrested in the manner of kidnapping from Srinagar by Indian dreaded agency and taken to the infamous Tihar jail in New Delhi. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the accession to Pakistan Day tomorrow, the 19th July, with a renewed pledge to continue the struggle for Jammu and Kashmir's liberation from Indian occupation and its complete merger with Pakistan. State Investigation Agency along with Indian paramilitary and police personnel raided several houses in 3 districts of the South Kashmir in occupied Kashmir today. The personnel of State Investigation Agency, Indian paramilitary and police raided and searches the house in Chakura and Shimal areas of Shopian, Kulgam and main town Islamabad in South Kashmir. The searches were going on till last reports came in. Jammu-based freedom-loving organizations Jammu and Kashmir People's Movement, Jammu and Kashmir Peer Panjal Freedom Movement, Jammu and Kashmir Awami Party and Jammu and Kashmir People's Association have said that the family of 14 Kashmiri martyrs in the Gul massacre have been waiting for justice despite the passage of a period of 10 years. They said that India was killing innocent Kashmiris, but it would never succeed in suppressing the ongoing freedom movement. Indian troops arrested a youth in the Poonch district this morning. The youth was arrested by the troops during a cordon and search operation in Kala Jula forest area of the district on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the Indian troops also launched a cordon and search operation in the Poonch town. An earthquake measuring 3.8 on the Richter scale was felt in Doda and Kishtwar districts. The tremors were felt in various parts of the Doda and Kishtwar districts tonight, leading to panic among the people of those areas. A delegation from Human Rights Council of Pakistan visited the office of All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter in Islamabad today. The delegation met the APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar and other Hurriyat leaders including Ghulam Muhammad Safi and Sayyid Yusuf Naseem. The delegation was led by Jamshed Hussain, Chairman Human Rights Council of Pakistan.